Hey YouTube, today I come to you with some updates on my Springfield Armory Prodigy. Now, as a lot of y'all know, I picked this up brand new only a couple days ago, and I'm already doing stuff to it because the plan is to essentially get this budget 2011 and put some parts into it and get this into a somewhat high-performing gun. So today I have installed the EGW ignition kit and also just an extended slide release to start off. Now, in the future, I am planning on throwing an optic on here, of course. I'm just still waiting on the optic plate to get in. But I'm planning on throwing an SRO in, and I do think that the SRO might overhang over the ejection port. But I'm just going to throw it on and shoot it a bit, and if I do have issues with it, I'll throw on a 507 comp. If not, then I'll just stick with the SRO, so we'll see how that goes. And then also, I am going to replace the trigger shoe with one from Red Dirt. It's a flat face trigger, and you can adjust the over travel and all that good stuff. But again, that will be coming soon. Still waiting for that to come in. Other than that, I don't really know what else I'd do yet. Long-term plans, maybe replace the grip module and the recoil spring. I do know you can get the Staccato or Atlas guide rods in here, and they're a little bit easier because they're toolless. Because right now, the factory guide rods on the Prodigy, you need to use an Allen key, which is a little annoying. But anyway, let's get to the actual mods that we have done today. Now, starting with the extended slide release, this is just, you know, a quality of life improvement. It doesn't drastically improve the performance, but it's nice. You get a little tab out here that just sticks out because the factory slide release that comes with the Prodigy is a bit recessed. It's a little hard to get your thumb in there, especially if you're trying to lock the slide to the rear. So this is definitely a nice touch. So, you know, it's good. And or we'll just cut that. And then more importantly today, I installed the EGW ignition kit. This is an entire kit that replaces your hammer, your mainspring, your leaf spring, your disconnector, all that good stuff. So it's quite a few parts. It's a little bit of a more difficult install. It's not necessarily drop-in, but EGW does have a great tutorial on YouTube, so I followed their video and wasn't too bad. So I got that in, and essentially it lightened up the trigger considerably, and as you'll see here, it's super crisp, very light. I know I can't really show you necessarily how it feels, but it is very crisp, and it feels almost half as light as the stock Prodigy trigger, which mine measured right around 5 pound pull, so I would say this is closer to 3 or 3.5 pounds now, but it is a little bit crisper, so this is a definite improvement over the gun. So I'm very excited to see you know, what comes next. So let me know down in the comments what I should do next with this gun. Of course, again, getting the trigger shoe and an optic on here, but I'm gonna try to keep putting some mods into this gun and build it out, you know. So stay tuned and hope you guys have a good day.